Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to fix the add location option not showing on TikTok. So if you happen to see this sort of error on your TikTok, then you want to make sure to follow the steps. So what you can do is, first of all, locate TikTok on your device, and then you could long press on the TikTok application, go to the app info section or press the I button. Next, click on permissions. So sometimes if you have not enabled location, then it could be the reason why you're unable to see the following option. So after you've done this, you could restart your device and check whether the issue has been solved or not. And later on, if the issue still persists on, you could also try updating your application. Sometimes it could be due to the outdated version. So go to your respective app store, type in TikTok on the search bar and check for an update. And similarly, if the issue still persists on, then you could also try reinstalling TikTok at the same time restart your device, and that's going to definitely help you out to fix the issue. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.